By default, Python provides the following built-in data types. 1. Numeric data, int, float, complex. Times int, 3, minus 8, 0. Times float, 7.349, minus 9.0, 0.00000001. Times complex, 6 plus 2i. 2. Text data, str. str, hello world, Python programming. 3. Boolean data. Boolean data consists of values true or false. 4. Sequenced data, list, tuple. List. A list is an ordered collection of data with elements separated by a comma and enclosed within square brackets. Lists are mutable and can be modified after creation. Example. List 1 is equal to 8, 2.3, minus 4, 5, apple, banana. Print list 1. Output. 8, 2.3, minus 4, 5, apple, banana. Tuple. A tuple is an ordered collection of data with elements separated by a comma and enclosed within parentheses. Tuples are immutable and cannot be modified after creation. Example. Tuple 1 is equal to parrot, sparrow, lion, tiger. Print tuple 1. Output. Parrot, sparrow, lion, tiger. 5. Mapped data, dict. Dict, a dictionary, is an unordered collection of data containing a key-value pair. The key-value pairs are enclosed within curly brackets. Example. Dict 1 is equal to name Sakshi, age 20, can vote true. Print dict 1. Output. Name Sakshi, age 20, can vote true.